Hi everybody, Belinda here, welcome back. Today I'm working on a 14 by 14 inch canvas, and I'm going to be doing a ring pour, but I do have something different in mind. My white I'm using today is the B.A.D titanium white, Arteza gold, and Arteza burnt sienna. So I'm only using those three colors. I have added a little bit of yellow into this, so you can see how thick my paints are. It's a mound on a mound on a mound. I don't know if you can see that with the yellow. Hopefully you can. It's pretty thick. So I'm going to go in with that first, and then some white. There's quite a bit of white. And this burnt sienna, this is the color I used when I did the giraffe inspired colors. So I'm not looking for cells today. So hopefully I don't get any cells. It's not what I had in mind. I think my white is a little bit thick. Just seems a little bit too heavy. See how it's fallen down through the bottom. Did not want that to happen. So I'm just going ahead and layering colors. I'm going to keep some of that little bit of white there. White has disappeared. Okay, that should be more than enough paint. A bit of water. Okay, let's go. See if we can get some magic out of this cup. I'm already seeing cells popping up there. Okay, I'm going to give that a quick torch. It's wild how these cells came up here and I didn't want them to come up. I'm going to add some white in the center. and go round and round in circles a little bit. Yeah, I see there are cells in here. So, the news is for New Zealand is we are going into lockdown. That will be as of tomorrow, and that's complete lockdown. I mean, we were all expecting that, and I suppose, you know, most countries probably going through the same. And I must tell you though, as soon as that was announced, I heard that, my brain went into overload. I was like, oh, I need Floetrol, oh, I need paint, oh, do I have this colour, do I have that colour? Needless to say, everybody else is shopping for, obviously, food stuff. And my brain immediately goes to canvases, paints, product. I guess we all have our priorities. And I just hope that all of you guys are staying safe and will continue to stay safe. I know it's trying times for the whole world. Yeah, look at all these cells here. Who wants who wants to get cells when they don't want cells? So I'll just use up some of my paint just to cover up these edges, so it has something to glide off. Now, of course, that's got gold in it too. We do not want pearl cells today, please. Just instruct my paint on what I want and what I don't want. I must say that mixture over there, those colors there look really, really nice. It's almost like a copper, or maybe more of a brass. Okie dokie. Let's go. So at the moment I'm just going to take it to the edges. Don't go off yet. Lots of cells. They're even popping up, you know, in the paint that I've put down first. Must be that gold. Okay, because the paint is there, most of the paint is sitting over there, I'm going to tilt that side first. And bring it back to the center. off there. And just take it off that corner there and bring it back. Look at those cells sitting there. Most of them I've actually pulled off. It's kind of looking like I want it to. I do feel as though I need to take some off over there. Just set it back down and have a look. I was hoping I was going to get this a little bit more round than what it is. Give that a little bit more torch. It's has a lot of bubbles. I'm going to touch up the sides and the corners, and I'll bring you in for a close-up. Okay guys, so it is interesting. I think it did come out really nicely. Not 100% what was in my head. Was a good go though. I really love this part here. That's really nice. I love the way it crosses over. And that over there, the depth is really great. Okay, so I think that it's different. It's actually, it's nice. I like it. I love the way, this is really what I was after. Do you see how it contours like that, and you can see the dark, almost like 3D imagery of it? So that is what I was after, but not quite the center. The white part, so I love that it's got the 3D imagery. Okay guys, thanks again for watching. All of you keep well. And if you're interested in any of my art, please contact me on withBade@gmail.com. Thanks guys, see you in the next one. Bye.